Alright guys, in this video today, I'm going to be going over the company that I am buying right now, and you probably should look at it too. And you guys, I don't know, are you ready to see my new investment? Now you guys, yes, this is like a vlogging type video today, and I am going to be talking about stocks and specifically one company and one stock, but in a lot of stock channels, stock videos, mine included, I always talk about the financials, and that is extremely important. But you really need to kind of like make sure, like, you about to own a part of this company. You about to be a shareholder in a company. So if you have the opportunity to go see the company, walk through the damn store or whatever and get a feel and a vibe for what it is that you are supporting, I suggest that you do that. So you guys, if you've been on this channel a while, like an OOG subscriber, you know that vlogging was my passion. I originally started this channel to vlog, but kind of got sucked into the stock market investing, money, side hustle type of thing, which I absolutely love. But your girl really likes to vlog. I'm doing a vlog type video today, and I thought it would be fun to just go in and explore my new buy with you, because I just think it's extremely important to really rally behind and be passionate about what you're buying. So you guys, welcome to my new investment. Guess what it was? Did you guys know? I think there might have been a logo in there somewhere, but you guys, I will meet y'all back at the house because it is too damn hot for your girl, and there were just too many people coughing and sneezing and shit up in there, and I just cannot have that. So I will meet y'all back in the safety of my bedroom. Are you ready? Okay, there you go. You made it. So we're back in the room. Yes, my shirt is different because if ever I go out into the world these days, I've got to come home and change my shirt. Usually I hop straight into the shower and put the clothes straight into the wash, but I just really want to get this video done. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get into why I bought this company and why I think it should be on your radar too. So let's just go ahead and get straight into it. Yeah, you guys, I just highly encourage you, if you're gonna invest into a company, go to the damn business and check it out, because when you walk in, it gets you feeling some type of way, you know, like, ooh, I own a part of this. And I think that is a big part of why investing is so damn fun, besides obviously building wealth and making more money and giving yourself a financial future. It's just kind of like fun to think that you're an owner in something. And real quick, I am gonna pitch at you guys that if you are new here and you're still this far along in the video, please consider subscribing by hitting the NB in the bottom corner or the red subscribe button. Join the crew, join the journey. I post minimum 2 times on Tuesdays and Fridays at 6:30 p.m. on this channel, sometimes 3 if I'm cranking it out. But I would love to have you come along. I talk about money, investing, finance, vlogs, my damn life. I just like to entertain and talk about money and have a good time. And if you're into that, or if you're into hanging out with me half as much as I truly love hanging out with each and every one of you, please consider subscribing. And you guys, obviously you already know the company that I went into is Best Buy, and y'all are already touched base on the fact that I understand that you need to know the financials and data and profitability and all the numbers related to a company. I get that, but you also have to respect the service and enjoy the service. So here are the main reasons why Best Buy has grabbed my attention and my money in 2020. So if we look here, one major reason is because of their dividend. It's a 5 out of 6 safety score. I am using Simply Wall Street for this data. It's an app. I pay for it yearly to kind of get a bunch of research and stuff like that. So they do pay a 2.59% dividend. They do, if I scroll down here, they do show that they have been paying their dividends for at least 10 years. They've been growing it for 10 years, and check out that payout ratio of only 38% right now, which is awesome. Anything under 60 I think is great. And if we scroll down here, we can see that the future projections of Best Buy's dividend payments are going to be 39% by 2023. Obviously this is not guaranteed, we are not for sure, but to know that it's only going to go up by 1% forecasted by 2023, I feel as though it's extremely safe. They have that record of the 10-year minimum, and I just think dividend wise this is a really good play. And if we continue to look at this here, you can see the financial position, basically their assets and their liabilities, their debt and their assets here. So you can see that short term they're slightly ahead with their assets versus liabilities, but right here the long term, which I am a long-term investor and that's kind of the priority that I have, is long term. You can see that their assets easily cover their liabilities. They have great operating cash flow right now, which is another safe haven for me, and to make sure that a company that I invest in has enough cash to cover anything that they could need. Now, in addition to their dividend, I think Best Buy has potential to be a decently set growth opportunity. I wouldn't say growth stocks, I don't think it's gonna blow up, but I do think there's some growth opportunity within Best Buy. So if we look at Best Buy right now, it's around the $85 mark. Check out this 5-year chart. It has a great sign right here of an upward trend that I love. And when I dove into this company, there were just a lot of things I liked about it. I'm gonna break it down real quick for you. So they have a thing called Building the New Blue Initiative, which really is them focusing on the growth potential of Best Buy as a whole. And you guys already know I have notes here. This is my script, all my notes, so I don't forget anything, and you know that I put my due diligence into every single video that I make for y'all. So if you appreciate that, please do your girl a favor and smash the damn like button. It means the absolute world to me, and it really helps me out. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep trekking because your girl's sweating. My hair getting frizzy from the sweat. Ooh lord, it's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of read straight off here just so I don't forget anything, because that would be bad. So I'd mentioned they're building the Blue Initiative about growth opportunities and then focusing on that. So one thing that I found very kind of interesting about this is that they're making moves into the healthcare technology business and undertaking strategic buyouts within that space and industry. So they've actually partnered with Validec, I mean, I don't know. Which says here is an industry-leading technology platform that collects data from collective devices, processes the data, and then offers insights to it. So for me, it just kind of sounds like healthcare technology that you can, it's like an Apple Watch. It can read your heart rate, your EKG. I mean, I don't know, sure, but that's what it tells me in my brain. Like, this is kind of the thing that they're looking at and wanting to move into. So it just delves a little deeper and says the partnership will aid in the company bringing initiative monitoring solutions to efficiently control chronic health conditions in the home. So I think it's just looking for health technology solutions to keep the home and the family healthier. But it's just using that technology, and I think for me that sparked a good growth idea in my brain, because if they're looking this way, then they're focused long term and they're trying to grow and they're trying to build into something new and adapt to a new environment and a way of living, and I like that. And then another reason why I wanted to get into Best Buy was because of the CEO, Corey Barry. Now my girl Corey had some scandals not too long ago about some affairs or whatever, but we have put that to the side, okay? And we're just talking about this girl and her business savvy. So Corey Barry brings a lot to the table, and I don't really want to miss anything or leave anything out, so I'm gonna pop it up on the screen for y'all so you can follow along with me and really see my girl Corey here. You know, she's smiling, she's happy. Prior to being the CEO, my girl Corey here was the CFO of Best Buy, and you can see right here, in charge of overseeing strategic transformation and growth, digital technology, global finance, investor relations, enterprise risk and compliance, integration management, and Best Buy Health. So in my mind, if she was the one who really dove into the new Blue Initiative and really was focused on the numbers, being the CFO, and the growth and the opportunities and what they could do consumer wise and all of that kind of stuff, global finance at a global scale, digital technology, like she's had inside information, and she has been the one solely responsible for working on these projects. So now that she has that background knowledge, that base knowledge in a CEO position, I think her focus is heavily on growth and what she can do to build this business. And there was a quote that she said that everyone must have a map, but you must be willing to shift when the map changes, which in my brain, especially these days and age, especially what's going on right now, that shows me that she can pivot, she can adjust, she can change at the blink of an eye to go with this new world, this new idea, this new economy, this new situation that we're in. And the other thing is that she understands that she is responsible for over 123,000 employees and growing this business so they can hire more people and have a better livelihood for her employees, and she feels extremely responsible for that. And so that mixed with her growth strategies and ideas for the future is something that I feel like, okay, she's thinking about her people now, she wants to take care of her people, and she wants to grow this business for her people. So when you put that all together, I really think Best Buy could potentially get some good growth here in the long term. It's not gonna shoot up, this ain't, you know, Tesla or nothing like that, but I think over the course of years and years, it is going to continue to gradually increase. So y'all, I think Best Buy is a great addition to a portfolio. Always do your own research, make sure it makes sense for you, don't listen to me, but I'm just saying my personal opinion, and I think Best Buy for me is going to definitely be an ad. I'll probably place an order first thing tomorrow morning because right now it's Sunday and the markets are not open, but I want to invest in this because if you're gonna have someone like Corey leading the pack who has growth initiative and the new Blue Initiative and the healthcare technology idea and consumer growth, global finance growth, and all that stuff in her brain, I want to be a part of that. Mixed in with those sweet dividend dividends. Like, come on now, this is a win-win if you ask me. And you already know I'm a bit of a tech nerd. You're not finding any deals at Apple. You're not gonna find any deals at, you know, those luxury name brand places. And people go to Best Buy because they got some good ass deals. They got coupons, they got sales, they got deals going on. So yes, retail and consumer discretionary and all that kind of stuff is very hot under the gun right now because people aren't going out and shopping. But the way that Best Buy pivoted as soon as Corona hit and they figured out an insanely great curbside pickup service and were able to retain 80% of their revenue and not really take a huge hit, for me that's huge. They could act quickly, and I think putting my money in companies like that is definitely where I want to be. So for me, Best Buy is going to be added. I'm going to be buying it. Do you own Best Buy? Do you not own Best Buy? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Please let me know down below. And y'all, if you are this damn far in this video, thank you so much for the support. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Hit the damn button, join the crew, join the journey. And if you haven't hit thumbs up, please, 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 from the bottom of my heart, this shit takes a lot of work, okay? Can you please smash the thumbs up? Okay, maybe you missed it the last time, so I'm gonna give you another chance. Just smash the thumbs up. It really helps me get these videos out and grow my channel, which is a goal of mine. And y'all already know I gotta get back to my Xbox so I can play some Call of Duty Warzone. So you guys, if you're this far and you're hearing my voice, you are the real MVP. Come here, you know I love you. Go ahead, click the video coming up for you, and always remember to enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is, and always do what sets your hearts on fire. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye guys.